banana wine is now ready for drinking. You can see. Nice one. Nice one. You can leave this one in the bottles for another 5 days. Let it continue to ferment. Or you can drink it right away or before 5 days. So we have the banana wine after 5 days. So we are going to pop it now. We are going to pop the wine and we are going to taste the fermented wine after 5 days. 5 days. Okay. So we are going to see how we are going to pop it like we are popping champagne. All right. So let us see. Let's try this. Okay, we are popping the champagne now. Woo! Woo! Oh, this is original one. It's very, very good. Quite fermented. Oh yes. Yeah. Okay, we have it. Very good. All right. So you try it. Try your own and make sure you cork the bottle very well for 5 days. Then you can see how good the wine will become. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.